Hello, welcome to my channel, my sons. So, we about to do this weave, but right before, let's get right into the intro.
When we grind, yeah. Our connections, we got it going on, You know it.
Okay, let's get right into the video. This is the package that I received. It is a lace front. I mean, not really. It's an invisible part, I believe. Yeah, it's an invisible part, so it's only a middle part. Her name is Lyna Sleek. I got her in a color 1B, but just say 1. I guess it's the same thing, I don't know. And there's the care directions. It says like how to take care of the hair and stuff like that. Now, I didn't really read it, but I kind of pretended to read it because you already know. Now, please excuse my ratchet looking self, but I'm reading this and I'm still trying to figure out how to pronounce her name right. I hope it's Lyna, but yeah. So here's the front, here's the back. It shows what wig you had bought. And here's the other sheet with all her family in it. Honestly, I should have got the other wig because I kind of wanted her hair straight down, but I didn't see all the other wigs. So yeah. So anyway, this is how the wig came. She had foam in her to keep shape. She had the lunch lady wrap around her, and she just had a whole bunch of protection. I really don't know why. Nothing was really gonna happen to this wig, but yeah, the lace was like semi-soft, but the hair was really sleek and smooth, and it felt really nice. I'm showing you the part. That's the only part you can do. This is the inside. It has a tag on the back and a comb. It has a comb on the left side and the right side, and of course the invisible part in the middle that I was talking about earlier, and it has adjustable straps as well. Okay, my ratchet ass finna put on this wig. I would not say this wig is big head safe. You would have struggle putting it on if you got a big head, is what I'm gonna say. But I'm finna flick this wig up, so.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks.
Okay, so this is just me trying to get the wig to work on my head, pulling it up a little bit. And the hairline isn't really straight forward. The hairline, but it's not like a realistic hairline. It's kind of more back, so my edges look at me looking all happy like, yes honey, like I got the weave. Yes I do, and it's cheap. So this is what the part looks like. It's natural the way it is, but you know, I'm gonna fix it up a little bit. The hairline, like I said, is kind of back, so if you have your edges going forward, you will see that. But it's supposed to be a middle part anyway, so that shouldn't really be a problem. So back to me looking ratchet. I'm finna pluck the hair right here. But then I had noticed like some long hairs in the wig. I don't know, I'm not sure if you can see that, but I was just finna cut those off because it did not look right. Like there's just some long strands. I didn't even know what it was. So this is me plucking the hair. I pluck from the back first, and then if I see it needs to be plucked more in the front, then I'll start plucking the front, and then I start plucking the middle part because I felt like that was too thin as well. So this is before the part, and this is after. You can see it looks a lot more realistic. So this is just a short clip of me showing the hair. So this is the amount of shedding I got because of the wig. I mean, not shedding, but I plucked it. So now right here, I'm cutting the lace on the wig, and I should cut zigzag, but I cut it straight because I was just in a rush. So after I cut the lace, I'm finna put on some gel, some hard gel. It really doesn't matter which hair gel you have, as long as it lays your edges. And I just put it on my baby hair / edges underneath my twist braid. And then after I do that, I start to brush it back so it's sleek. So then after my hair is laid, I put the blow dryer on low and then start blow drying my hair just around the edges. Not too long, just to where it's like dry enough to where it's not finna curl back up. And then after you done blow drying, you just done. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million bills. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Fur coat, Ferrari, hop off the stoop, jump in the coupe. On top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can, eating halal.